Good morning, 8th graders. Happy Friday. Obviously, I'm not here today, so I just wanted to explain what you're going to be working on for today's assignment. And it's going to be talking some more a little bit about robots. You're going to watch a video that has 3 different robots in there, and you'll answer a fill-in-the-blank question that goes with it. After that, then, it's just finishing up your design notebook for either task 1 or starting task 3, which is what we'll get into more on Tuesday next week. For the video, Understanding Robots, I want to show you where it's located and what you're going to do for it. You'll go to Schoology, and when you're in Schoology, you'll see at the top right-hand corner, it says Understanding Robots Video and Response Questions. You'll click on this, open up your Google Doc, and you'll see this document right here. And you'll see at the top there is a video, a link that you need to click on. So click on that, and there will be about 21-minute video, and there's 3 different robots that they talk about. And so each one's about 7 minutes long, and while you watch the video, you're going to answer the fill-in-the-blank questions. So they do go in order, so if you all of a sudden get here and miss this one, pause the video, go back and find that answer. You can obviously put the closed captions on to help you look for the answers. They're pretty interesting robots. The first one is called the Articulate Alice Bot, which in all honesty, it's a little outdated. We have Siri and Alexa that is probably a little bit more up to date, but it's similar concept. The next one is a robotic surgery. So this is an actual open heart surgery. So if you don't really like to see blood, just to give you a heads up, because they do show that actual part and the heart pumping. And so if you're queasy with that, I just want to give you a heads up, but it is pretty cool what the robot does with the surgery. And then the last robot is called Magnificent Millibot. And so it's kind of like a little remote control car, and that has a camera attached to it. But again, go through this video, take your time, and obviously pause the video at your own pace so you can find those answers. When you're done with answering all of these questions, you'll then go back to your design notebook for mechanisms, just to double check that you are caught up with task 1 was doing vocab definitions. And then if you're completely done with that and you want to get started with Tuesday's assignment, it's going to be task 3 down below there. And so you can watch the video that goes with it and an explanation of how what you need to do, and you can start filling this out here. So as you go through this, a couple expectations that you should follow is while the video is going on, you should have headphones. And so I have headphones behind my desk that you can borrow. Just remember to put them back. And then while the video is going on, keep the volume low, talking low, so that people can watch the video and answer those questions. And we'll talk about this when you come back to class on Tuesday, but take care of business and enjoy your day.